Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get perfectly straight boards without the need for a jointer. The first thing I did was rip down a sheet of 3/4 inch oak plywood I had left over from a previous project. The sheet was about 17 inches wide and I cut off a piece about 6 inches long. I took the shorter piece and placed it on the longer one, leaving a slight overhang. I marked where the piece would sit and used wood glue to attach them. I decided to clamp it and add some 1 1/4 inch wood screws to hold it in place while the glue dried. I took the piece back over the table saw and put the overhang side against the fence. That way the outside fence would be parallel to the inside edge. I then flipped the piece around and cleaned up the opposite side. Next it was time to put the clamps together. I started by threading a nut through, adding the special washer so that the curve is facing the clamp, adding the clamp, then the washer in the opposite direction, and the final nut to lock it in place. You can find the clamps I used in the description below. I marked off where the clamps were going to go, pre-drilled, and attached the clamps to the jig using screws. That's really all there is to this jig. To use it, adjust the clamps so they can lock all the way down and hold the workpiece firmly to the jig. Adjust the height of the blade and run the piece through the table saw. Now you have a perfectly jointed edge. Now just take the piece out of the jig, adjust the fence and the blade height again, and clean up the opposite side. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching.